We're two friends who love to cook. Welcome back to our channel, Too Many Cooks.
It's Valentine's Day. We should make something for our parents today.
Well, I really want Indian food right now.
Ooh, my mom likes butter chicken.
My dad likes kulfi. So what should be our finishing touch?
They all like pulao.
Oh yes. Let's get started.
So the reason why we're making dessert for this is because we have to keep it in the freezer.
Okay, so for this recipe, we'll need 2 slices of bread, a pinch of cardamom,
Cool Whip, these containers,
evaporated milk, and condensed milk. That's sweetened.
and possibly a spoon. Now it's time to blend it. Okay.
Okay.
You're finishing putting whipped cream in.
Yay. We can finish it.
Save some for me.
No, it's all mine. Don't even think about touching it. Okay. Now we need some bread, and then we just rip it up. Okay.
It's a big.
Okay, let's make the measuring cups appear with the magic of our hands. Here it is.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Okay, and then so we need
condensed
5/8 of a cup. So just
thick, creamy.
it's so thick. Okay. And then we need the same measure for our evaporated milk.
This is what my mom uses in her fruit cake.
Don't taste this one, it tastes nasty. Okay. And then just a little more.
This one tastes plain.
It doesn't taste plain, it tastes like air. Yeah. Okay. And then just a pinch of, you do it. Yeah. Just a pinch of cardamom. No, not that much, not that much. No, little. Yes. Yay. And then that's it. So let's start blending this baby up. So we're almost done with this, yes.
I'm gonna keep the lids off so she can pour it.
I'm too short for this.
I'm
I'm too small. Okay. Yeah, this is good. So
Oh yeah.
let's get it inside its container thingy-mabobber. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
You didn't see that. Okay.
Pour it. And I was like, uh-oh. I
You
was like, oh my god.
always get so scared when I'm pouring something.
I don't know.
We should give it like a flashback to the cannoli issue. Yes.
What was the cannoli?
Remember when we were pouring in the batter?
Oh my god.
And then you were like, ah!
Mind hurt.
This is some luscious stuff here.
It's pretty good.
Haven't even tasted it yet, but you can tell by the ambiance.
It was really
Scree.
I got the tip.
Okay. Yay. Okay. So, okay. Now we're done with this thing, so it'll go right into the freezer. So while we're waiting on that, let's make the pulao and the butter chicken.
Yay!
Yay!
We're ready to make our butter chicken. So first we put the Instant Pot on saute mode.
And then you should have 2 tablespoons of ghee. And then 1 tablespoon of oil.
That's it turning on.
Yes. And then we have 1 big onion.
That I'll probably put in. And then there's the salt.
Be careful. Yes. And then we have about like 1 tablespoon of salt. Yes, and then now we have to like mix it up and then like wait for the onions to turn just like a little bit brown and transparent. So yes. To mix it.
Oh yeah, first mix it. I don't think that's how you mix onions.
There's only one way of mixing in this world. And that's how I mix. Okay. Then so now we're like sauteing the onions so that they'll become like a little brown.
Brownish and clear.
By the way, ghee is just clarified butter for those who don't know what ghee is. And you'll get like all of this ingredients we're using right now at like your local Indian store.
Not just Indian store.
You'll get it in a store.
So now it's almost done.
Yeah, and it smells heavenly.
It
smells
really, really
and it's brown. So now let's add the rest of the ingredients. So this is ginger garlic paste. So we're gonna add that.
I'll be mixing while she adds.
And then we have to add these spices. So this is turmeric. And then there's a difference. So this is chili powder, and this is Kashmir red chili powder.
Well, it smells like turmeric a lot.
So this one is less spicy, but you add it just for the color.
It smells like really spicy.
So we're gonna add both of these.
Turn on.
And then we'll add our tomato puree.
Hard to mix.
Yeah, so let's let it fry before we add our tomato puree, actually.
That smell is like very strong.
I like the smell.
Let's get all the
So let it fry for a little bit before you add the tomato puree.
I'm going to try to get all the onions in the side to cook as well.
So by the way, you had to add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons of the Kashmir red chili, 1 spoon of the red chili powder, and then half a spoon of turmeric. So now let's add our tomato puree. These are 3 plum tomatoes. So let's add that.
Oh, that's very thick.
Yes, so thick. We love thick stuff. Okay. Next, we will add our coconut water. And so how you get coconut water, it's not really coconut water. So you get a can of coconut milk, and then you separate without shaking it, you separate the coconut water from the coconut cream. This is coconut cream, and that's coconut water. So the coconut water will usually be on the top, but for us it was on the bottom, but it will usually be on the top, so you can just separate it easily. So let's add this. And it's looking really good.
It's looking like that butter chicken color.
Yeah.
We just have to add the chicken.
Oh, it smells so good. This is 2 pounds of chicken, which is chopped up, like boneless chicken. So add it slowly so it doesn't get like all over you.
Now I'm gonna be mixing it to make sure it gets all over.
Here it is, but we're not done yet. So we're gonna just mix it up and like let it cook for like 3, 4, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then we have a next step, but we're not getting to that yet. So now that we've covered it up after many technical difficulties, let's turn it off and keep it on manual. Okay. Okay, now it's set. So now we'll just wait for 2 to 3, 4, 5 minutes.
So now we're waiting for the chicken to cook, so we're gonna make the pulao.
Yes. So this is butter, and we have to wait for the butter to melt before we can add all our other ingredients.
Saute mode.
Yes. That's my brother. Sorry. He likes doing that.
He's a baby.
Yeah, he's a child.
Butter is almost melted, so we're gonna be introducing the
Spices. So this is 2 tablespoons of jeera seeds, which is cumin, and then 1 big chili, 1 stick of cinnamon, and then 2 bay leaves.
This is big cardamom, cloves, black pepper, and
Small cardamom.
lychee, small cardamom.
Okay, so the butter is almost melted completely, so let's start adding the spices. So that's our big cardamom, then the small cardamom.
Grabbed everything except that.
And then let's add like the cloves and the pepper. No, wait.
A bay leaf after.
Yeah, let's finish this first. You do that.
I do some jeera.
Yeah, you can do this.
The chili almost fell out of the container.
It got shook. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have our big chili. So just like break it a little and then put it in. And then we have our bay leaves. And then our cinnamon stick.
Now we're putting some of the jeera seeds in.
Oh.
All of the jeera seeds in. There's some black pepper in here, but the more spices there are, the good flavor it gives.
The yumminess.
Sizzling.
Ooh. Okay, so let's just dump it in, fam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That works.
So, I heard the Instant Pot bell. So, not bell, but
Some noise.
alarm. And so, we're just going to let it naturally release its pressure.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. So now we have 2 cups of mixed vegetables. So let's just like put that in.
Ooh, that's
Ooh, that's like a nice sizzle. Okay, now you add your spoon of salt.
1 spoon of salt.
Yes, and now we have to like mix it up. Okay. So now let's add our rice.
Are almost done sauteing, so she's gonna add the rice.
Yes. So this is white rice, and it's 3 cups of white rice. So let's struggling. Okay.
And automatically stop sizzling.
Oh no, the sizzle is gone. Nah. Okay.
At least we know that the rice is cooking. Pulao is just rice with spices and veggies.
Yes. And this cupcake looks at things differently. Okay. Sticking to the edges. Oh my god. Okay.
I think it's enough rice.
Okay.
We told the quantity, right?
Yeah. So 3 cups. Yes. So that has to cook for some time. Now let's add
some
water. Like a cup. This is a cup of water. And then another cup of water. And then 1 more cup of water. Yay.
Yay.
Go water. Okay.
It's like overflowing.
It's gonna evaporate, so don't worry.
Eventually it's
Yeah.
going to soak in. Our rice is going to be good.
And then
1 more cup of
1 more cup of water. Yay.
And that was the last cup.
JK.
Second to last cup.
Here's the last
It
half
was like
cup.
half of a cup.
Yes.
So it was one of
So that
that was the last cup, and
so that was 4.5 cups of water. So we just need to wait for that to cook. I wish cooking was like
faster.
so fast. Yes.
So now we're going to switch it to the white rice button. Wait, first we have to turn it off. Turn it on.
Yes.
We're all in this together. We're gonna remove the lid together.
Because we're all in this together. What? Well, okay. So we're not done yet. Even though that smells heavenly, we're still not done. So first, we have to add
The chicken's cooked.
You separated the coconut cream from the coconut water. So this is the coconut cream. So you just pour that in.
Now we add the fenugreek leaves.
Okay,
So we added our fenugreek leaves.
So we kept it on saute on less. So now let's add our tomato puree, which is also 1 tablespoon, just like the fenugreek leaves. So now that we put our tomato paste, we add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And then last but not least, just for garnish, we add just our coriander leaf. Coriander leaves. So pretty much our chicken is ready and it's smelling so good. So let's add some butter first.
Boiling. Bubbling.
Okay. And then let's add the butter. And then
What was that?
okay. And then let's add some coriander for garnish. That's okay. Yes. Screenshot this. Okay. Since it's garnish, you don't have to add too much, so we'll finish it up with this. Okay. There it is, our butter chicken. Woo! Yay, yay.
Our pulao is getting ready right next to it. Woo! That's how it looks right now.
We have to put it in for a little bit longer so that it cooks thoroughly. Yes.
So chicken's really so good and it smells so good. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for dinner. So the rice is ready. So
now we're gonna like scoop it up and like plate it. So we'll be right back.
So this is the final product: our kulfi, our
pulao,
and our butter chicken.
Yeah.
With some garnish on top.
It smells delightful. So let's like dig in.
Exactly.
I'm not eating the garnish.
Oh, we're like sabotaging it.
I'm devouring.
The food was so good, so now we're gonna try our yummy dessert.
So good. It's amazing. The cardamom is making it like pop. Okay. Our parents absolutely love that dish. Like and subscribe, comment down below how it turned out for you, and hit that bell.
Hope you can make this for your loved ones.
Happy Valentine's Day.